What's up, guys, and welcome back to the DIY HVAC YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk about this awesome little Tacoma that I just got from my dad. He overheard that I was looking for a little gas saver truck so as to not rack up the miles and spend a ton of money with my Duramax. So we drove this thing all the way from Tennessee to Utah. It did awesome. This thing has 0 leaks. It's been parked here for probably 4 or 5 hours now. These are all old stains, but 0 leaks underneath it. I just put this little fairing on. It was missing that. There's definitely some things I need to do to it, but overall, it's got plenty of space for my tools and stuff back here. Really cozy, actually. They're not quite bench seats, they're bucket seats, so they're better for your back. One thing that I already noticed, because we drove this from Tennessee to Utah, is when you have a drink in here with the AC blasting, it's like a little refrigerator, and it's awesome. But yeah, 168 on the dash, original mileage. So I'll show you the motor here. It's the legendary 2.7 liter, I believe. 16 valve. It's got the aluminum radiator, brand new battery. I just did plugs and wires on it, but I'll probably do a few more maintenance items on it. I also just got the AC fixed. This little fitting right here, the O-ring was bad. There's actually still a little bit, that was residual oil from when it was leaking quite a while back, but I got that little guy fixed up in there, and it is good to go. It's blowing ice cold now. And then we also did the windshield, got that replaced, so it's nice and easy to see through now. But primarily I wanted to show you the utility topper that I got. So I got the truck without this on it, and then his buddy actually owned an electrical business, and so I bought this topper for 500 bucks, and it's all aluminum. And as you can see on the inside, you can't quite walk in here like my big truck, so my idea was I might get one of those decked sliding drawers, so this whole thing will slide out and I can get access to tools that are back there. But on the side, these are super deep, so like my recovery machine fits perfectly, and they're real tall up here, which is fantastic. So plenty of storage on both sides. And then the top has this aluminum rack that they added on, so you can put stuff up here. So yeah, so far this has been working really good, just for doing little service work and install stuff. But overall, the truck's drives really good. It's definitely could use some cosmetic stuff. I'll probably get a new hood or maybe paint this one white. And then I think I'm gonna get some newer Tacoma wheels and tires to put on it. But other than that, it's been so far so good. It's been a really nice truck. I'm excited to save fuel with it, and every time I drive it, it reminds me of my dad, so that's the best part of it all. Anyways, you'll probably see me rolling around in this truck doing repairs and making videos, so I'm excited to get it looking a little prettier, do some maintenance on it. And thanks again, Pops. I really appreciate it. Love you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got a Tacoma like this or a utility topper, and you've got some ideas on how I can rearrange things so as to be the most efficient with storage, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, leave it a like, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.